Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I had an injury. I couldn't get out for 3 weeks. So yesterday we went. I said, I'm going. If I have to sit on the couch all weekend, I don't care, I'm going. So we loaded up. We had Chinese. It was wonderful. Oh, I'm so out of practice with my little chopsticks, which is good. It slowed me down. But we went just a few places because I didn't want to be out too long. But we did go to Walmart and Hobby Lobby. And when we came home, the mailman had come. So let me show you what I got. I still can't use my hand. In fact, Darren has cut these open for me. We did not open them or peek in, but he cut them open. I buy these notebooks for patterns and notes and etc. I keep like my Baby Alive dolls, I keep separate from my Barbie dolls, which I keep separate from my Blythe, which I keep separate from my Chatty Cathy's. And when I make patterns, I take a straight pin and I pin it to the paper, but always have your pins going in towards the middle, and I don't need to tell you how I learned that. I did get some fabrics. I love this. These were each $4.44 a yard from Walmart. I love this one and this one. This is a little bit, they had this at Hobby Lobby, but it was thicker, further apart. And I like that because of the smaller dolls. Love, 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 love this. Already have plans. I needed some candy corn print. And I got some blue. The blue was actually $3.44 a yard, which is cheaper than the fat quarters. I got some more letters. I put my Blythe dolls' names on their pull strings. And I got this makeup for $1 for face-ups on the dolls. I also bought, can't remember what's in here, but I got something else. Oh yeah, I got some laces, which I need this for my little clown prints. I've been doing some clowns. And some snaps, only because they've been running out. I'll give you a heads up. Buy them if you see them, because crafts are going like they did last year at this time. If you see them, buy them. Oh, look at these. They only had 3. But these are so cute. I'm wondering, do they have the shoes? No, it's just the outfit and towel and the necklace. And these were on sale for $3.24 at Hobby Lobby. So I got them all. I like those for Happy Meals. And they were like $12 or $9.97 or so. At full price.
$12.99 it says right there.
$12.99, there you go. These are adorable. I spent the last 3 years searching for little turkeys, doll size. Look at, I didn't notice that, but they're different. This one's actually holding a pumpkin and this one is not. Oh, those are so cute. I just love those. Those are Barbie, Blythe, fresh doll size-ish. And I like them. And then they had, I couldn't resist these little squirrels. So cute. And these were 40% off. And then I got, oh yeah, I got this pencil. Darren's gonna, these do not come with caps. My husband tells me at the checkout, I can 3D print you a cap. Cool. I bought one watercolor, color pencil, $1.49. I want to try them for face-ups on the dolls. Now, I don't know if I like it or not. Trying one is a good place to start, and I got a peach because that's a good color to use. This
Coral.
is going, pardon me?
Coral.
What did I say, peach?
Peach.
Yeah, coral. This I'm going to try to make a pirate's hat out of. Oh, you're going to be surprised what I do to it. And then I got fabric. I have to tell on Darren, he is so cute and so kind to me. I'm looking in the fabric, and we had walked the whole thing. And sometimes I walk past stuff and I go back to get it. And he says, I'm going to run over to look at something else. And where he went was to see if they had this in my chalk. And they did, but it's very expensive and I need to learn to face up better. Anyway, I only had 2 bolts of fabric in my cart. And I said to Darren as he was walking off, well, you're lucky today. I didn't find much. He said, I didn't bring you here to not find much. So I might have gone back and got a couple that I was looking for. Isn't this cute? For that Corella challenge coming up that I'm doing with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. I have this in the opposite, white with the black paws, but I don't think I had that. And then I hope you can see this shine. I hope you can see that it's like that holographic fabric. And it was $3 a yard on clearance. And it has white on the inside. I don't have to worry about that coming off on my dolls. I do not have to wash this. It reminds me of that Barbie rocker, the skirt she had on that I kept looking at. So I'm going to make some things out of that. I really, really like it. I tickle. I wanted to show this one. This, I think, is adorkable. This is the Dr. Seuss Grinch Before Christmas. I love it. And then this I thought would be cute for clowns. And then, of course, kilts. I'm always making kilts for the little dolls. They have this on sale. Can you see the bling, bling, bling in that? I thought these would be cute for like over things, for little skirts. Real good for beginners. I'm betting this ends up going out in packages for beginner crafters. I really like it. It was $4.99 a yard, so yesterday it was $2.50 a yard. I went ahead and got a yard. Darren, when I saw it in my cart, he said, oh, are you doing mermaids? And I thought, there you go, another good thing. The mailman had come when we got home. Oh, this is so fun. This isn't what I thought. This is not what I thought. There's something that's not here. That's all right, let's open this. Before I open this, I want to show you what I've been sitting on the couch doing. I haven't turned these inside out yet. I'm still working on that. I have been having fun with my little 4-inch Blythe doll. And I've been making her some clothes because most of it's hand sewing. I made her this little outfit. It's 3 layers. Let me pop that. I'm having trouble with Ziploc bags and snaps and everything else. I don't have the grip because of my injury. Okay. I made this little dress. It is 3 layers of Nightmare Before Christmas. And I'm having such fun. I did this on the sewing machine, and I'm kind of proud of that because it's itty bitty. I'm also working on these. I'm going to try to embroidery on that a little bit. These I did by hand. They're a little bit stretchy, but I laid her down on the fabric inside out and drew around her. Then I sewed the pants and then cut them out. And they're just stretchy enough, they go right on her. I'm having such fun with this. I have a pair of pleather cut out, but because it's pleather, I'm having a heck of a time getting it turned inside out. No tweezers nor hemostaphs are working to turn that inside out. All right, so let's see what we got. This is odd. That is not what I thought. Oh, okay. Where's the other earring? Here it is. What a cute little earring holder. And I swear that's like, it feels like 3D printed, but it has a little, I might have Darren look at that because that just feels like 3D printed. But this is what came in it, Nightmare Before Christmas earrings. That's going to be for one of my dolls when I get them dolled up in the Nightmare Before Christmas. I got these, this all AliExpress. It was in one package. And like I said, Darren, open that for me. Okay. Oh, these are cute. I don't want to show them though because they're for an upcoming collab. I'm not going to show you that. Oh, so is this. Oh, do I show this or not? Nope, not going to show it. So let's open this and see what we got. If there's not three, oh, there are three in here. Okay. Oh, look at that. They're all tied together. So I like these little dolls so much. I bought a few more. I want to do a face up and a couple other things. And Jamie from Let's Talk About It with Jamie, who does premieres, I think it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 o'clock my time. I think I'm Central, right?
Yep.
And her lives are so fun, such a good group of people. If you're not busy at that time, I think it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, drop by and check out the lives. I'm going to pull this off and see what, oh, kind of like that hair. Oh, it's kind of puffy. Isn't she cute? Oh, my, so cute. And they come with these little, I call them patterns to make other clothes and to work off of. It's a nice base pattern, really cute. Jamie is like me, and she really likes circuses and especially clowns. And I did not have a clown doll till she told me I needed one by ordering a custom, and I made a little girl. So I'm kind of thinking, although I have that Merida stand that Darren made, so I'm torn. I got two of these. I should have got two of these instead. I wanted to show this, and it wasn't here when I was looking. This I had on the Cruella reminder the other day. My little doll was wearing it, but you couldn't see the collar that I put in using this. I did glue this rather than sewing it, but it's 3 pieces too. The pleat, I don't know. Maybe if I iron that a little bit, it would be better, but I don't know about ironing the glue. The pleat kind of is funny, but otherwise, this was really fun to work on. I didn't know if I could do that. Here's how big the collar is. I mean, it is absolutely tiny, but it's fun for me. And since I'm sitting on the couch doing basically nothing, I have more fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I really appreciate it. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.